Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance easily. We'll start with the very first steps, focusing on top rock. This is your standing dance, crucial for setting the stage and showing your rhythm. Learn fundamental moves like the Indian step and the crossover. Practice these for about 10 to 15 minutes daily to build a strong foundation. It's all about getting comfortable and finding your groove before hitting the floor. Now, let's move to the floor with basic footwork. The sixth step is a fundamental move that will build your agility and strength. Practice moving both clockwise and counterclockwise to develop versatility. Remember to stay low, keeping your core engaged for better balance. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes to these drills in each practice session to really solidify your technique and flow. Next up are freezes, which are static poses that add flair to your dance. Start with the baby freeze, balancing on your head and hands, tucking your knees. Then, try the chair freeze, using one arm and your hip for support. The key is to hold each freeze for at least 5 to 10 seconds, building strength and control. Don't worry if it feels challenging at first. Consistency is key. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together. Start by connecting your top rock into footwork and then transition into a freeze. Practice for at least 1 hour, 3 to 4 times a week, to see significant progress. Listen to different music genres to develop your musicality and find your unique style. Remember, breaking is about expression and having fun, so enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.